Understanding BMW fault code P1421 is essential for keeping your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. This code points to an issue in the secondary air system on bank 1. But what exactly is the secondary air system, and why is it so crucial? Let's dive deeper. The secondary air system is designed to reduce emissions by injecting fresh air into the exhaust stream during the engine's initial warm-up phase. This promotes faster catalytic converter operation, ensuring it reaches optimal temperature quickly to reduce emissions. On cold starts, the engine produces higher levels of unburned hydrocarbons, so this system is vital for maintaining environmental standards and vehicle compliance. Fault code P1421 is usually triggered when the secondary air system fails to function properly. Common causes include a malfunctioning air pump, a defective air pump relay, blocked or deteriorated hoses, faulty air injection valves, or wiring issues. To start diagnosing, begin with a basic visual inspection. Ensure that the air pump is receiving power and functioning as expected. This pump should operate briefly when you start the car cold. If you hear any whining, rattling, or abnormal noises, it may indicate a failing air pump. A noisy or malfunctioning pump often needs to be replaced, as repairing it might not be cost-effective. Inspecting the air injection valves is the next step. These valves can become clogged with carbon deposits, obstructing the airflow needed for proper emissions control. Carefully remove and clean them using a carbon removal solution, or replace them if cleaning doesn't restore full function. Pay close attention to the condition of hoses connected to the system. Even a minor crack or leak in these hoses can disrupt the air supply, leading to the P1421 code. Replace damaged or worn-out hoses, and double-check connections for a tight and secure fit. The air pump relay and related fuses are also common culprits. A faulty relay can intermittently cut off power to the air pump, causing the secondary air system to malfunction. Testing the relay can be done using a multimeter or by swapping it with a known good relay. If you spot any signs of damage or corrosion, replace the relay and check that fuses are intact and seated properly. If the issue isn't resolved by inspecting the mechanical components, move on to advanced diagnostics. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for any related codes that might indicate underlying issues with the ECU or other connected systems. In rare cases, the wiring between the air pump and the ECU may have faults. Look for broken or frayed wires and any signs of corrosion on electrical connectors. Routine maintenance is key to preventing issues with the secondary air system. Regularly check that the air pump remains free of moisture, which can lead to internal damage. Moisture can accumulate if the car isn't driven often or if it's exposed to humid environments. To minimize this, make sure your car runs long enough to allow all components to warm up and evaporate any condensation. Using higher quality fuel can also help reduce carbon buildup, which clogs the air injection valves over time. Periodically add a fuel injector cleaner to your tank to help maintain clean valves and injectors. Maintaining the secondary air system goes beyond preventing the P1421 code. An efficient air injection system ensures that the catalytic converter remains in good health, which can save you from more costly repairs in the future. An underperforming secondary air system may lead to increased emissions, poor fuel efficiency, and even potential failure of emissions tests required in many states and countries. After completing all necessary repairs, clear the P1421 code using your OBD2 scanner. To confirm that the problem is fixed, perform a comprehensive drive cycle. This involves starting the car cold and letting it idle, then driving at moderate speeds and checking if the code reappears. Repeat this process a few times over several days for the most reliable results. Proper diagnostics, repairs, and maintenance will ensure not only that your BMW remains emissions compliant but also that it runs smoothly and efficiently. Addressing these issues promptly will protect your vehicle's performance, reduce harmful emissions, and extend the life of critical engine components.